So I figured that it should reduce my bills by doing the same thing. So that's why I wanted to invest in the solar panels.
My name is Beatrice Hale. I live in Oshawa. I don't know that my life has necessarily changed with solar, other than my bills have reduced. So that's, means there's more money to spend on other things, which is kind of nice. The fact that if I didn't have it, I would still be paying the bills up to $102 a month, whereas now they're like $30 a month. So it's like a lot different. I enjoy it, and I think it's a good way to save on energy. Yes, I would make the same choice again, because it's reduced my bills, and it's, doing your part for the environment. The fact that the solar is coming in and making it so I don't pay as much. My bills have gone down an awful lot. Last year, my bills were much higher, and I paid a lot more than I did so far this year. So it's put it less than half, for sure. You still get kilowatt hours in the winter. 219 in December, 89 in February, 128 in March. So it just depends. In April, it was 18 because there was only very, very few days where we didn't have rain. May, it was actually 483, which was more than the 337 that I had used. So it was good that way. And then what they call the June bill, which is really the May bill, I have double kilowatt hours to what I've used. So it's definitely worth it. I find it's worth it anyway. So if it keeps up in July and August and September, give me a heck of a lot more kilowatt hours that I get off the solar, then I'll be over what I actually use. Do what we normally do and hope the solar covers it, and in most cases it does. I'd like to check it on the rainy days to see what it's done. I've told them that it's reduced my bills, that it works. I don't get an amount back at the end of the year because they credit it right to my bill and reduce my bill as much as possible. They give me back exactly what they charge me in as far as the cost goes. So it's good that way. That it works well, and I don't have a problem with mine. Yeah, I knew what it was about. I didn't know how much kilowatt hours I would get returned from it. That was the only iffy thing there. But I figured that it would pay for itself within at least 10 years, so that's good for me. They have good support. They respond back to you quickly. I don't have a problem with them. The install was done well. Yeah, the solar panels they're working good.